Today I'm sick. I'm in the middle of nowhere. Pretty much as country town USA as you can get in Michigan. And there's a thrift store that I like to go to. I'm not carrying this giant camera in with me, so it's all gonna be phone footage, baby. I always like to stop at these thrift stores because I have no idea what I'm about to find. So let's go. I'm not that fat. So walking into the thrift store, this is the very first thing I see. Everything is $1. I literally did not know that. I did not plan it. So I started in the shoes section, already very excited about my prospects, and looked around in the clothes. They don't have a huge clothes section. That's about it that I showed. I did find this amazing two-piece dress vest combo. These shoes were kind of cute. I would have removed the flowers. And I literally have no idea what I said there, but I was looking through skirts and I honestly didn't find too much that I was actually interested in to try on, but I did find that skirt. So and now let's try everything on. This was the first thing, which I don't know how I felt about it. It was very cheap feeling. I hated the top of it and I was thinking I could maybe replace it with something. This skirt was super cool, but maybe possibly too close to my skin tone. I really liked the different patterns of it, and honestly I didn't like this shirt at all. It definitely feels more like my sister's style. This sweater I absolutely loved. It was gorgeous, and that was everything I tried on. So now let's head home. 5 literal buckaroonies later, I have 4 items of clothing and free bread. I wondered why the heck it was so busy, and it's because there's a pop-up. I just happened to be in the right place at the right time. I don't know what to tell you. I just happened to be in the right place at the right time. I literally haven't gone to this thrift store in over a year. So very exciting to be back, and that they were having a $1 sale when I decided to show up. Alright, I'm hungry, I'm tired, I'm cold. Let's go home and do something. I'm not sick, you're sick. Okay, so I was not planning on making a video while I was sick, trying not to make you listen to the nauseated sound of my voice, but stumbling upon that $1 sale was fan-freaking-tastic. I love a $1 sale, and I got 4 things, and I only spent $4.24, and I got free bread. I did not get the two-piece green vest with the dress thing. I tried on the vest separate of the dress because I didn't know if I wanted the dress. The skirt was just really pretty of the dress. So I realized I would not wear the vest by itself, even though it was so cool. That's just not like my style. And so I didn't get it, even though it was only $1 for the two-piece set. But what you gonna do? Somebody else will pick it up and love it. That's what I can guarantee, at least, hopefully. There wasn't a ton of good stuff there. I really was looking at shoes, but I didn't see a ton of shoes. Well, no, they had a ton of shoes. They just weren't great shoes. First item of clothing is this skirt. And I was debating whether or not to get the skirt because it is my skin tone. But I think with the white in it, it's enough that I will look good in it. I liked the pattern, and it's from Laura Scott, so I knew it was a nice brand and that it was in very nice condition overall. This is a perfect summer skirt, so I'm excited. I'm trying this skirt on for the first time since I bought it, and it has an interesting little flare to it at the ends. Let me show you a different view. Okay, you see how at the bottom it kind of goes out, and it also looks a little uneven. I'm not sure what that is, but I think I still really like it. It just is a little interesting, but it's really cute overall. I'm excited to kind of put an outfit together with that. I feel like I look terrible. My face is stuffed. Second, I did end up getting this dress. I don't have like any white dresses, so I thought I wanted one, and I was always thinking, because this is only on the front, I could sew along this line right here and sew a blue fabric into it that I thought would be really cute. And then it's like a kind of, I don't know, more European Greece to me. It is not fantastic fabric. I don't even know where it's from. Miami. Yeah, it's not the highest quality, but that's why I got it, because it was only $1. Okay, so yeah, here is the dress. I do not love it. So I was thinking, not this fabric, but literally look how much better this makes the dress look. This is just, I had blue scrap running around, but literally how much better does this make the dress look? 10,000 times better. So I would totally redo this top part. And even in the back, I could make it a little tie situation too, honestly, if I wanted to. I feel like the blue totally makes it a different dress, and I love it way more. And it also looks better on my skin tone, and I can see myself wearing this in Europe. So I really, really like this. Even like jean material up here would be really cool, but I think anything looks better than this. So love the colors that this brings. So I'm gonna do this to it for sure. Next, I did get 2 sweaters. Let me lower this a little bit. This one is a little worse for wear, but it is Talbot's, and I thought if I could shave it, it would be fine. It is this really cool vintage sweater. It's just a pullover with a quarter zip, and I just loved this print. It's very 90s, 80s. I really, really, really liked it, and so I thought it'd be a great steal. And I did not try this one on because it's kind of gross. It's covered in like animal hair, so I'm washing it before I try it on, but it looks really cozy, and it just needs like a sweater shape, and then it'll be really, really perfect. I just wanted to come in here and say I'm trying this on for the first time, and I think it's so cool. Like I said, it definitely needs like a sweater shave because it has like a not nice look to it, but I do like it from like far away. I think it looks really cute, but I'll let you look at the texture on it. It's just a little like matted, but I think I really like it. It still has like some sort of animal hair all over it after I washed it, but overall, I think this is super cute. And last but not least, I found this sweater, which feels like it has been stretched out right here up in the shoulders so much. So I'm really excited to wash it and see if that tightens up a little bit. But it is this really cool, what would you call that? It's almost like a Christmas tree skirt, but on your shoulders. It's just a really cool sweater by Christopher Banks. I love this color. I think it's super, super cool. I don't really see a lot of sweaters like this, and so I thought that was super fun. Spring is coming, but it's still cold, so I might as well get myself something for next winter. Oh my gosh, I love this sweater. It is so pretty. I think it's gorgeous on, absolutely gorgeous, or like even cropped. And the shoulder part did tighten up when I washed it, so yay. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. I love $1 sales, and I know you guys do too, so like this video and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. I won't sound so sick next time. Thank you for watching. Bye!